Are you looking for ways to make some extra money and live your best life? Freelancing can be a great option for those who want to make extra cash from the comfort of their own home. It allows you to choose your hours, work on projects that interest you, and even build a client base over time. But how do you actually get started and earn more money freelancing? In this video, we will dive into the ins and outs of working as a freelancer, from starting out to finding clients and increasing your rates. Keep watching to learn how you can earn more money freelancing today. What is freelancing? There are a lot of benefits to freelancing, but what is it exactly? Freelancing is when you work for yourself rather than for a company. This means working from home, setting your own hours, and being your own boss. It's a great way to earn extra money or even to make a full-time income. There are a few things you should know before you start freelancing. First, it's important to have a niche or area of expertise that you can offer clients. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract the right clients. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start marketing yourself. There are many ways to do this, including creating a website or blog, social media, and networking. Once you start getting clients, it's important to deliver quality work that meets their expectations. This will help you build a good reputation and get repeat business. Finally, don't forget to keep track of your finances and budget for any unexpected expenses. Freelancing can be a great way to earn more money, but it takes some planning and effort to be successful at it. The benefits of freelancing. There are many benefits to freelancing, but the three main ones are the ability to work from anywhere, the freedom to choose your projects, and the potential to earn more money. Working from anywhere is a huge perk of freelancing. You're not tied to a specific location, so you can work from home, a coffee shop, or even abroad. As long as you have a laptop and an internet connection, you can work. Another great benefit of freelancing is the freedom to choose your projects. When you're a freelancer, you get to decide which projects you want to work on. You can also negotiate your rates and set your own hours. This flexibility is perfect for people who want more control over their work life. Lastly, freelancers have the potential to earn more money than those who are employed full-time. When you're just starting out, you may not make as much as you'd like, but with experience and a strong portfolio, you can charge high rates for your services. In fact, many full-time employees are choosing to freelance on the side to supplement their income. The best ways to make money freelancing. There are a number of ways to make money freelancing, and some are better than others. Here are the best ways to make money freelancing. Number 1. Find a niche. When you find a niche market, you can focus your energies on becoming an expert in that area and charge a premium for your services. This is one of the best ways to make money freelancing because it allows you to command a higher rate. Number 2. Build a clientele. A loyal clientele is worth its weight in gold. Once you have built up a base of clients who trust you and value your work, you will be able to charge premium rates and enjoy a steady stream of work. This is one of the best ways to make money freelancing because it provides stability and long-term earnings potential. Number 3. Offer valuable services. The best way to make money freelancing is to offer services that are in high demand and that offer real value to clients. If you can find a way to do this, you will be able to command top dollar for your services. Number 4. Be prompt and professional. In the world of freelancing, reputation is everything. If you want to be successful, you need to make sure that you always deliver quality work on time. This is one of the best ways to make money freelancing because it will help you build a good reputation and attract more clients over time. How to get started freelancing. There are a few key things you need to do to get started freelancing and start earning more money. First, you need to identify your niche or areas of expertise. This will help you find the right clients and projects to work on. Once you have a niche, you need to build a strong portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. You can do this by writing articles, creating videos or podcasts, or developing code samples. Next, you need to start networking with other freelancers and potential clients. Attend industry events or use online platforms like LinkedIn to connect with others in your field. Finally, make sure you are billing your clients correctly and tracking your expenses so you can maximize your earnings. Tips for success as a freelancer. If you're a freelancer, there are a few things you can do to increase your chances of success. First, it's important to choose the right projects. Make sure you're bidding on projects that are a good fit for your skill set and that you're passionate about. It's also important to be realistic in your pricing. Don't undervalue your services. Remember that you need to make a profit in order to stay afloat as a freelancer. Another important tip is to keep your clients happy. This means delivering quality work on time and communicating effectively. If you can build strong relationships with your clients, they're more likely to come back to you for future projects. Finally, don't forget to market yourself. Let people know what services you offer and why they should choose you over other freelancers.